attentioners, it's Alma again. This is what the overall look is gonna look like. If you want to keep watching, don't forget to hit like. I actually start with my foundation first, so I am going to use this Lore'l True Match Perfect Beige and 5.5. As you can see, second one I'm gonna do is this Lancôme. It's the 390 Best C. I'm just gonna tap it. Just like that. Next, I am just gonna use these pop conceals that I have. Looks like that. I have 2 different shades, so I'm gonna do a couple lines down my eyes, one down the middle of my nose. Don't judge, I can't really draw lines, but it doesn't really matter. 3 down my forehead like that. A little bit down here, and then in the center there. So I just use my beauty blender. A contour palette that I have from Anastasia. Couple of dots. I'm going towards the direction of my cheekbone. And I'm just gonna keep going. And I'm gonna go back. I'll put a little bit over my lip here. Nose up here. And forehead. Just a little, and kind of go and blend these ones out. So that's pretty much it right there. Cheekathon, going in with the Hoolah bronzer. And then, you know, you gotta do your little fish pose. It helps. Again, kind of bring it up to this. Baby hairs. Use the leftover that's on the brush. God, I'm getting itchy. Just bring it towards the top. So that since I did contour on the sides of my nose, I'm gonna go just kind of go like this, down, narrow, and then bottom of my jaw again. That's pretty much it for, I guess, the bronzer. I use a different brush. I know it comes with that little same one to use for the blush on there. I sometimes use it, sometimes don't, depends. Other than that, I do just have this other Lancôme blush brush, that a mixture of the Coralista and Rocketeer, and just tap it so it's not. I'll run. Next, let's get into the eyebrows. So I do use the Anastasia dip brow pomade. I get it in the color dark brown, and then I just get a little angled brush like that, and then I start here, and then kind of drag my way. Make sure it's a little bit darker towards the end. Where I see the line, kind of just do a little line. I have this ready to wear brow artist. It's just a this one is, it just helps with like the pointy parts. Okay, and then last but not least, I do have the Anastasia, just the brow wiz. It's dark brown. I'm just going to be using the brush that comes on the opposite side of the pen. So again, just kind of keep going towards where the hair is growing and kind of comb it, do it. Concealers. This one is Classic Ivory. It's just a little bit lighter. I am going to go with this lower bottom side. Any concealer works, but it definitely makes your eyebrow look a little bit better. Go back with my beauty blender, kind of lightly tap it to get rid of the big harsh lines. Next, highlights. So I have the Anastasia Glow Kit. Just put a little bit of highlight across your nose here, so it has a little bit, just like that, and a little bit over your cupid's bow. Oh my god. Let's put a little bit of primer. So I have the Urban Decay one. I don't put a lot because I don't really need it, I feel, but let's try it. I'm just gonna put a just use the beauty blender. Next, we're going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Naked Reloaded. I'm gonna start with this bottom right. It's called Blur on bottom base. Next, I'm gonna use that one that's next to it. It's called Boundaries, towards the end of it. And then kind of walk yourself over the lid. So that's what it looks like right now. It looks like this. So I'm gonna get this middle one, Endgame, into the socket of the eye. Kind of just bring it down. Like, again, do the little C motion. It's just gonna help me buff things out. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Just kind of more oval it out. I'm gonna use that boundaries color. See it? So that's what I got. Brush these two. I'm just gonna go in between two. And then kind of doing little by little to the sides. FRIDA KAHLO eyeshadow palette. And then we're gonna use this. It's called Muse. So in the is the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. Are you guys seeing how easily it just goes? I'm gonna use this. It's this Lancôme one. It is the new black 01. It's by Lancôme. Which looks like cool, huh? Ardell extension FX. It's a B curl. See, so they already got curls, so I don't need a curl. Look at how beautiful they look. Is this dual brush on adhesive with vitamins. It's the green version. Somewhere yo, eyelashes literally like give you life as a girl. I have this NYX Liquid. It's a lscl number 7. That's it. Yeah, this is the final look. Hit the like, the subscribe, and the follow buttons. Just stay tuned for any more videos coming up soon. So thanks for watching, attentioners.